Namaste, I'm Pompey Paul, welcoming you in another episode of the series Dance presented by Swami Vivekananda Culture Center, Bali. In this episode, I'm going to show you some basic exercises which we do before practicing dance. We actually follow a book called Pathfinder, which is published by eminent dance guru Srimati Kumkum Mahanti and Guru Keluchan Mahapatra, Odissi Research Center. In this book, we have 4 kinds of basic exercises: silent exercises, sound exercises, hand and arm exercises, and torso exercises. In this video, I am going to show you the silent exercises. Silent means during doing the exercises, we are not making any sound. We have 8 kinds of silent exercises which I am going to show you. Those exercises are really important to conditioning our body, make our muscles flexible, and for the warm-up. Let's see how to do it. Let's do the exercises. Stand in Yugma Pada position, straight. Keep your hand on your waist. Now open the feet. Hold both hands and slowly bend down your knee and sit. Again, get up. You can do it with counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also with ekatali, ta, e, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta, e, thi, na, ka, thi, ni. This one also you can do in Kumbha Pada position. Like raise your heels and sit. Ta, e, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta, e, thi, na, ka, thi, ni. You can also breathe while sitting, like breathe in, breathe out, and sit. Breathe in and get. This is number 1. Now number 2. Again stand in Yugma Pada position. Now raise your heel, stand on your toe, then heel down, stand on your heels, raise your toes. Again 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do this with breathing, like breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. With ekatali, ta, e, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta, e, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta, e, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta, e, thi, na, ka, thi, ni. Let's do the third silent exercise. First stand in Yugma Pada position, then open your feet and stand in Mandala position, then bend the right knee, sit on your toe, right toe, stretch the left leg at left side, and then change the position. Come to the Mandala position again and bend the left knee and stretch the right leg. Again 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. With ta thi na ka thi ni ekatali ta. I thi na ka thi ni ta. I thi na ka thi ni. With breathing, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So this is the third silent exercise. Now the fourth one. Hold your hand, hold the right wrist with left hand, then bend down your body, the upper part of your body, roll down.
Try to touch your knee with your nose. And again, roll up
and stand straight. Again, breathe in, breathe out, bend your body,
in the final position, normal breathing. Again, breathe in,
breathe out. Next, again stand in Yugma Pada position. Raise your hand straight upward, finger upward, then bend down your body.
touch the floor. Again, stretch your hand
and stand straight. You can do this with breathing exercise. Raise your hand, breathe in, breathe out.
Normal breathing. Again, breathe in,
breathe out. With Ekatali, ta, I, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta, I, thi, na, ka, thi, ni. Next, again, raise your hand, stretch upward, lift your leg and try to touch your toe and get back to the position again. Again, lift your leg, 2, straight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the silent exercise number 7. First stand in Yugma Pada. Now raise your hand, bend down your body to the front, and now move clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With Ekatali, ta, I, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta, I, thi, na, ka, thi, ni. You can do this in this position. Open your feet around 2 feet apart. Now bend your body to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With breathing exercise, breathe in, rotate, breathe out, again breathe in, breathe out. Let's do the number 8 exercise. Again, sit. Put down the right knee on the floor and stretch the left leg, the left side. Open your left hand, bend to your right side, touch the floor. Again back to the position. Now open your right hand, raise the left toe, bend to your left side and touch the left feet. Again back to the position. Change your leg, put down the left knee on the ground. Now open your right hand, bend to your left side, change, open your left hand, bend to your right side and again back to the position. Now with breathing, breathe in, breathe out. Normal breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Again breathe in, breathe out. Normal breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. We take a tadi. Ta, I, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta. I, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta. I, thi, na, ka, thi, ni, ta. I, thi, na, ka, thi, ni. So, these are the silent exercises which we do before practicing dance. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Namaste.